Hello students, how are you today? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourselves. I'm your teacher Hina and I'm so happy today. Do you know why? Because it's a playtime. Yes, we are going to play the number game called Bingo. Would you like to join me? Great. But before that, let's revise the numbers with a rhyme. Come, sing along with me. But you have to repeat after me and do the actions as well. Okay? So here we go. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indians. Repeat. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indians. Good job. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indians. Repeat. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indians. Very good. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians. Yes. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians. 10 little Indians in a row. Repeat. 10 little Indians in a row. Hoo ha, shoot an arrow. Hoo ha, shoot an arrow. Hoo ha, shoot an arrow. 10 little Indians in a row. Very good, my little ones. Now the second line. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little lollipops. I know you all love to eat lollipops. Repeat. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little lollipops. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little lollipops. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little lollipops. 10 little lollipops in a row. I put them in my mouth, says, I put them in my mouth, says, I put them in my mouth, says, 10 little lollipops in a row. Now the third line. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little chocolates. You all love to eat chocolates. In fact, ma'am too. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little chocolates. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little chocolate. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little chocolates. 10 little chocolates in a row. Repeat. 10 little chocolates in a row. I put them in my mouth and go munch, munch, munch. I put them in my mouth and go munch, munch, munch. I put them in my mouth and go munch, munch, munch. 10 little chocolates in a row. Repeat. 10 little chocolates in a row. Great. So students, I hope all of you enjoyed this rhyme. I want you to practice and learn this rhyme so that once school reopens, we will sing this rhyme together. So now, shall we start our game? Let's start.
It's time for a new game, Bingo with numbers. So children, you have to go and get a bingo card made like this with the numbers. And also get a sketch pen or a pencil or a crayon, and we are all set to play the game. Are you all ready? Great! Let's count the yummy cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many cupcakes are there? Very good, 6. Now you have to mark number 6 on your bingo card. Where is number 6? Yes. Now mark it like this. And what do you say? Bingo! What is this? It's a toy car. What is the color of the car? Yes, it's a red color car. How many cars are there? Loudly, I can't hear you. One. Good. Now, look for number 1 and mark it on your card. Good. What do you have to say? Bingo! Oh, so many apples. You all like to eat apples, right? Apple is good for our health. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many apples? Good, 7. Now mark the number 7 on your bingo card. Where is number 7? It is after number 6. Good. Great job. Bingo. Now look at this. What are these? These are steel tiffins. And children, we should use only steel tiffins and steel bottles, not the plastic ones. So how many steel tiffins you can see? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So how many in total? 5. Great. Now mark number 5 on your bingo card. Great job. Bingo. Good. Next. Oh, yummy cones. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many cones? Good. Now mark number 8 on your card. Where is number 8? It is after 7. Very good. Excellent job. Bingo. Such cute and colorful teddy bears. Let's count them. 1, 2, and 3. How many teddy bears? Yes. Say it again. Good. 3 teddy bears. Now mark number 3 on your card. Quickly. Where is number 3? It is after 2. Good job, my little ones. Bingo. Next, what are these? These are balls. One is basketball and the second one is football. You all love to play with balls, right? Nice. So how many balls are there in total? 2 balls. Good. Now quickly mark 2 on your bingo card. Where is number 2? It is between number 1 and number 3. Very good. Bingo. Now let's count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pencils? 4. Very good. Now mark number 4 on your bingo card. Good job. Bingo. It's time to count the colorful butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many butterflies? Loudly, I can't hear you. Good, 9. So now mark number 9 on your bingo card. Great job, my little ones. Bingo. Now let's count the... What do we count? There's nothing on the picture. So, which is the number? It is 0. Bingo. Now, if your bingo card looks like this, say loudly with ma'am. Bingo! Good job, my little ones. You are genius.
So my little ones, I hope you all have enjoyed this game, and I have made one bingo card for you and uploaded on the website. I want everyone to practice and play this game with your mama and papa and share the pictures on the website given below. Thank you.